This 2001 Bentley Arnage is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Bentley Arnage 6.8 LV8 engine, automatic transmission, premium sound package, wood veneer interior, trim, front parking assist, rear parking assist, 6-disc CD changer, power sliding moonroof, power rear trunk opener, keyless entry, heated front seat, heated exterior mirrors, power windows, Bentley Arnage wheels, black exterior, tan leather interior, owner's manual, floor mats. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any questions you might have, or ask us for a detailed walk-around. We hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2001 Bentley Arnage is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the R. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.